Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-something plus folks here on YouTube. So welcome. Today we are talking Sephora Play. This is the little bag. It is, my phone's going off. It is 10 bucks a month. And you get 5 items plus a perfume or sometimes a hair product. I like hair foil packets better than a perfume, but 10 bucks a month, and I just threw it. I don't know where it went, but you get 50 play points as well, or play points. You get a play card that you can take in either for a makeover at Sephora, I never do that, or 50 beauty insider points. That's $50. So that alone is worth it to me, even when I complain about what's in my box. So this is Maze. This is the little bag it comes in. Has very much like a camping feel. Like it's this little chambray and then like the pull cord rope material. It's a B plus of a box or a bag this month. So first thing, this is the only product I've tried so far. This is the Wave Spray. That's hard to say. Wave Spray. You can see how much is in there and how much I used for one use of hair. So this isn't going to last me that long. It was fine. I don't love the smell. The smell is kind of strange. Let me see if I can smell it to describe again. Like it's like men's cologne-y. And then I used it yesterday and then still like braided my hair and just had it kind of roughed up with it. And when I took it out, I was like, where was I around men's cologne? What is this? And then I realized, oh yeah, no, it's the Wave Spray. So, I mean, it's okay. I like my wave sprays to smell beachy, which is why I'm obsessed with the John Frieda one. John Frieda Beach Blonde is $8 at Target, and it is the best wave spray. It also gives like good crunch, like it gives a good feel to it. Okay, next, I got the Buxom Lash Maxera. Woo! Mascara in Blackest Black. So happy that it's in that. You know, guys, never gonna have to buy a mascara again. The amount of mascaras I get as freebies or in subscription boxes or whatever, I cannot, you have no idea. I can't get it out of here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I thought I've used this one before, but maybe I haven't. I'm looking down there. I think I'm thinking of another one, so it'll be good to try a new mascara, so that's fine. Right, next, 2 products. So this is why this box gets like a B plus, because these are good products, but I've had them. Like I'm not trying, like a mascara, I go like, okay, it's another mascara, fine. I don't get excited by mascaras. The Wave Spray, I know Way is expensive. I'm not a huge wave spray person. All right. And then these next 2 are excellent products. I'm just kind of like, I've had them before. I want to try something new. So, I mean, truly this is just me saying like, you can't please me. Let's just be real. So one is Hourglass Veil, which is hilarious because if you watched the Empties video from the other day, my last video, I'll put a card to it. I finished one of these. So I was like, oh, one more down. I'm getting down to it on the primers. JK, I now have a new one. So at least this is a great primer. So I'm okay about it. Then I really like this. This was in, I believe, last year's birthday options. Was Caudalie Vino Source Creme Sorbet. It's a moisturizing sorbet. So it's a moisturizer. Fancy words for a moisturizer, but it's a really good moisturizer. I do actually really like this. I would consider buying this. So to get one, great. Still happy with it. Just like, oh, I've tried it before, but at least I know it's like good and it'll work on my skin. Okay, the last 2 things. I'm gonna go with cologne first, or perfume first, but it smells like a cologne. This is Atelier Cologne, because they only give us perfumes from 4 different companies. and it is Clementine, California. And I was like, oh, did I get that one before? And I realized, no, I got orange sanguine last time, which was kind of like a spicy orange, like an orange clove, and I liked that. This is much more, I mean, California Clementine, it makes sense. This is much more citrusy, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I am going to try it out for a couple of days because the way it melds with your skin and everything is just different. Then the last thing, this will be given away because I don't need it. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. And I just am not a Kat Von D person. Don't really like her. I've tried some of the stuff that I've gotten. Like I tried the Lock-It Concealer. It was fine. But if you've watched some of my older videos, I am so sick of getting black liners. The amount of black liners I own at this point is crazy. So I was like, and I don't really do, if you look at my looks, I don't really do black ink liner a lot. So why hold on to this when one of you could get it and really enjoy it? So stay tuned because a giveaway video is coming real soon. Real soon. So this will probably be in an upcoming giveaway. So that is it for this video. It's a short one. Let me know what you got in your subscription box this month, be it a Play, a Birchbox, an Ipsy. Does anyone do a Lure? Let me know. Let me know what you got in your box in the comments below. Be sure to like this video if you like Play unboxings. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And share this with your friends. I think a lot of 30-somethings still aren't on YouTube because they don't know that it's more than Jake Paul running amok in California. So let them know that there is a place for them. They have community here, and can't wait to hear from you all in the comments. With all that said, right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like, so please keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.